Some altcoins are reaching new lows, and in this video I want to talk to you about altcoins, Bitcoin, what's going on in the market. So smash up the like button, click the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell, because every single day we make a new video for you here about cryptocurrency, 7:30 Eastern Standard Time. So what's going on in the market right now? Seems a little bit off, a little bit shaky. Bitcoin's right around 27,000. Altcoins, some altcoins have made new lows, and I feel like right now there's a lot of uncertainty still, but nothing actually feels more certain to me than what I think is going to happen next for crypto. And somebody asked me recently, on my Instagram, when is crypto going to go parabolic? When is Bitcoin going to go crazy again? It feels to me like we're getting to that point where people are asking that question. That to me is kind of a signal in my mind that it's a time to really look at accumulating some of your favorite coins. And remember, this isn't financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. And full disclosure, I do hold the coins that I will be speaking about. But, truthfully, cryptocurrency is a game of buying low, selling high. And if you look at, well, when's Bitcoin going to go high? When are these altcoins going to go high? Well, it's not going to be, I don't think, for another, I hate to say this, probably another year or so. And the reason why I say this is because if you look at the 4-year cycle, it's been very accurate. And we've even seen lengthening cycles and some diminishing returns when it comes to crypto, especially in the last cycle, and especially when it comes to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, the halving is right around April of 2024. Then approximately 6 months to a year after the halving, that is when things go parabolic, especially with Bitcoin. Bitcoin will lead the way first. So if you're looking for, well, what's going to happen next? Where's Bitcoin going? And, what are your price targets for that? I think that you got to get to the halving first. So the halving hasn't even happened yet, and that won't happen for another 6 months. So between now and then, you could see some of these altcoins bleeding as Bitcoin starts to ramp up maybe a little bit here before the halving. And what we've seen previously in the halvings is that you'll get a pre-halving kind of spike, and then you'll get a buy the and a sell the news. So we could see Bitcoin here in the next couple of months maybe reach 38, 39, 40,000, somewhere around that area. I wouldn't be surprised to see that. And then right before April, right? So maybe like, end of Q4 here into Q1 of next year, you kind of get, that spike up, and then you get that drop. And then, for a few months after the halving, right? Maybe 3 to 6 months after the halving, you'll see kind of consolidation again, one more consolidation period before we go absolutely crazy up and to the right, full bull. So that's kind of like what I'm thinking right now is the most that we can anticipate when it comes to the markets. Now, that's more Bitcoin in general. If you're looking for altcoins, some of these altcoins, especially the new ones, can make a double or a triple within the next, week or two. It just depends on the altcoin. It depends on the situation. And the reason why I still say this, even in, I wouldn't even call this a bear market. I would say this is more of a neutral sideways market where, there's just not a lot of activity. It's not a full-on bull market, but there's still tons of opportunity in crypto. In fact, a lot of these altcoins, I can get these crazy parabolic moves. The best time to get in is right before the halving. Like, this is the best time for a lot of these altcoins. And, examples of, altcoins that I'm personally accumulating. Chainlink, I think, is an absolute no-brainer. I think Vechain is an absolute no-brainer. It's scored really high on Token Metrics' ratings. I think, other coins like Cardano are absolutely no-brainer. I think Polkadot, I think Solana, those are the no-brainers, right? Now, if you want to know what are those like microcap gems, those little ones, well, that's a whole nother game to be playing. And you have to really educate yourself on the microcaps, because most people, where they make mistakes is they don't educate themselves, and they end up over investing in the microcaps where those should just be trades. So most people don't understand that you should just be trading microcaps 99.9% of the time. The only time you should really hold a microcap is if you're literally in crazy profits. and it's basically free money to you. That would be the only time that I'd ever consider holding a microcap. And in order to find those microcaps, we've talked about it a ton here on this channel. I even have in my free training for you. So click the links down below. Check out the free training where I go through and I show you how I took 10 grand to turn it into 250,000 in 1 week. I did it with a microcap, and you can get explosive gains like that. But also you can get crazy losses in a bear market if you just hold on to these blindly and you don't know what you're doing. So remember, I'm not here to tell you what to do with your money. I'm just here to share with you what I'm doing, what I'm thinking, and what I've done in crypto. And I know that it works because I've done it. I've created content teaching others how to do it, and they've done it. And the really cool thing is in my online course, I see every single week students still in the course, taking the material, learning, applying, and they're actually getting results and making profits. That's what's most important to me, is that other people are winning. I've already won enough in crypto to truthfully, like, I'm pretty much retired at this point. But, you know, I really want to help each and every one of you navigate this market because I know what it's done for me. It's changed my life forever. And I think that Bitcoin and Ethereum and even altcoins, this isn't going away anytime soon. It is more seasonal though when it comes to the altcoins in the market. So if you understand that, and you understand what you're investing in, and you have a strategy, a formula, a system, you can be wildly profitable in this market. I mean, life-changing money. But most people, unfortunately, they don't have that. And because they don't have that, they end up being the other side, which is unfortunately loses money. So I just wanted to come in and make this video today to update you on the current market conditions, as well as, you know, letting you know even more about what I believe is going to happen next in crypto. So if you do like videos like this, I greatly appreciate all of your support. Smash up the like button, click the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell like I said. And for more information, click the link down below for the free training, because that teaches you exactly what I've done for free. There's no obligation, there's no nothing, you know, that you can do or have to do with it. You know, truthfully, it's right there, it's free for you, and it's really easy to sign up for. All you got to do is go to the website or click the link down below, and yeah, it's right there for you. So if you're interested in that, I can't wait to see you in the free training. I can't wait to see you in more content here, absolutely free on YouTube. Keep coming back, keep studying, keep learning, because to me, the fun is about to start. It feels like to me, to end this video, the fun is about to start. If you've held on this long, if you've made it this long, I believe you're going to be rewarded massively in the next few years here. So don't go anywhere. Crypto's amazing. Life is amazing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next videos.